Hello students, welcome to Show Sir classes. In this video, we will solve the question number 28 and question number 29 from JNU SIS 2017 entrance examination paper, which is the entrance examination for Masters in Economics with specialization in World Economy. So now let's look into the question number 28 first. Here A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So two important information is given here, that is A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, and probability of B is equals to 3 by 2 into probability of A, and probability of C equals to half of probability of B. So we will write down the given information from the question, that is probability of B is equals to 3 by 2 into probability of A, and probability of C is equals to half of probability of B. Now using these two important properties of A, B and C, we can write probability of A union B union C is equals to 1, because it is given that A, B, C are exhaustive. So A, B, C contains in the whole event, so the whole probability is equals to 1. So probability of A union B union C will be equals to 1, as there is nothing except A, B and C in the entire set. So whole probability will be equals to 1. And from the property of mutual exclusivity, we can write probability of A union B union C is equals to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. So we have got that probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C is equals to 1. Now from the given information, we can write probability of C in terms of probability of A as half into, we are replacing the probability of B with 3 by 2 into probability of A. So probability of C will become 3 by 4 probability of A. Now from this equation, probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C, we will replace the value of probability of B and probability of C in terms of probability of A. So probability of B is 3 by 2 probability of A, that is 3 by 2 probability of A, plus probability of C, we have found that 3 by 4 into probability of A. The summation is equals to 1. So this is 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into probability of A, which is equals to 1. So this will be 13 by 4 probability of A is equals to 1. The value of probability of A will be 4 by 13. So our answer is option A, that is 4 by 13 is the value of probability of A. Now coming to the question number 29. First let me change the color. Question number 29 is a economics question from simple Keynesian model, and the marginal propensity to save is equals to 0.4 it is given, and also there is an increase in tax of 10 units. So you have to find the output will fall by how much unit. So from the question it is given that MPS, that is marginal propensity to save, is equals to 0.4, and as we all know that MPS plus MPC is equals to 1. So MPC, the value of MPC will be equals to 1 minus 0.4, that is 0.6. This is the value of MPC, and there is an increase in tax by 10 units. So now we will write the formula of output, that is Y equals to C plus I plus G, and this C has two components, one is fixed and one other is variable. So this we will write A plus B into Y minus T, where A is the fixed consumption and B into Y minus T is the dependent consumption, which is dependent upon the disposable income, which is Y minus T, and here B is the MPC or marginal propensity to consume, and I plus G. So now if we differentiate this y with respect to t, that is tax, we will get del y del t equals to b into del y del t minus b. So this we will get del y del t is equals to b into del y del t minus b, as I, g and a is constant. So differentiating a constant term always gives the result 0. So del y del t will be equals to b into del y del t minus b. Now putting the value of b, which is MPC, we will get del y del t is equals to 0.6 del y del t minus 0.6. Let me change the color for better understanding. So 0.4 del y del t will be equals to minus 0.6, or del y will be equals to minus 0.6 divided by 0.4 into del t, which is 10, as the change in taxation is 10 units. So this will be 6 by 4 into 10, or 60 by 4, that is 15. So this will be minus 15. So an increase in tax by 10 unit will cause output fall by 15 units. So option C is correct for the question number 29. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can feel free to call us in this number 9836793076, or you can send us email at shourabsirclasses.com. Thank you.